stressing, no. But shorty right there, man, come on. Can't find no one better than you know. See, when I saw you know I had to slide like E to the serpent apple of my eye. I told her that's to come here, rewind. Can I get a little bit of your time? I love the way I took out her body though. All looking down, she's in all shy, you know. You know that in the type of women I like, you know. If you'd like to know, they the real freaks when the lights come on. I ain't tryna preach, but shawty got me drawn. Yeah, she out of reach, my name, you got me on. Cause I gotta say I'm pretty comfortable. Man, I can't believe that shawty got me. Cloud number 9, cloud number 9.